Today we'll see how to balance a chemical equation. So we're saying balancing a chemical equation. So we'll take an example. We have iron, that's ferrous, plus sulfuric acid H2SO4, giving ferrous sulfate Fe2SO4 thrice plus hydrogen. So we'll see how to balance this equation. So in this above equation, since sulfate, that SO4, stays together, we can replace SO4 with X. So first step is replace SO4 with X. Since the SO4 stays together, we can replace SO4 with X. So we can rewrite the above equation as Fe plus H2. Instead of SO4, I am writing X, which gives Fe2 and X3 thrice plus H2. So we have rewritten the equation by replacing SO4 with X, because the SO4 always stays together. Now we'll count number of atoms present on each side of the equation. So on the left hand side, I'll be writing as LHS, and right hand side I'll be writing as RHS. So we have Fe, that's iron, ferrous, equal to 1, and hydrogen we have equal to 2 on the left hand side. And what about X? We have X equal to 1 on the left hand side. Now let us look on the right hand side. So we have ferrous, that is iron, equal to 2. What about hydrogen? We have hydrogen equal to 2. And what about X? X is 3. So next we'll see, we'll start balancing the equation. So on the left hand side we have ferrous 1, that is iron is 1 here, and but on the right hand side we have 2. So what do we have to do? We have to multiply Fe by 2 on left hand side. Since it's 2 here, we'll multiply on left hand side by 2 to make it 2. So I'll write the equation again. Fe plus hydrogen plus X, giving you Fe2X 3 plus H2, that's hydrogen. So since Fe is 2 on the right hand side, we have to multiply on the left hand side by 2. So we are multiplying Fe by 2. So hydrogen, ferrous is balanced. So Fe is 2 on the left hand side, and it's also 2 on the right hand side also. So next we'll see X. So hydrogen we can keep it later. Hydrogen and oxygen molecules you can always keep it to the later part, or you can keep on the last for balancing the equation. So we'll look at X now. X is 1 here on the left hand side, and it is 3 on the right hand side. So what do we do now to balance X? We have to multiply X by 3 on the left hand side. So in this equation, I'll take the same equation. See, X is 3 here, and but here it is 2. Sorry, here it is on the left hand side, it's 1. So I multiplied by 3 here. So I multiply X by 3 on the left hand side. So 3 into X, it's 3X. Again, X is 3 here on the right hand side. So X is also balanced. Now last, let us look at hydrogen. Hydrogen is 2. Sorry, hydrogen is now Initially it was 2, but now it has become h into 3 into 2, it is 6 on the left hand side. And what about on the right hand side? It is still 2. So but since it is changed here, it has become 6. So we let us multiply hydrogen by 3 on the right hand side. So I am multiplying hydrogen by 3 on the right hand side, so making it 6. So 3 into 2 is 6. So again here 3 into 2 is 6. So here all the elements are balanced. So ferrous is 2, 2 on the left, and it is 2 on the right hand side. What about hydrogen? It is 6. 3 into 2 6, 3 into 2 6. So both the sides is balanced. What about x? So x into 3, it's 3x here, and again x is 3 here on the right hand side. So even the x is balanced. So lastly, what do we write? We rewrite the whole equation by replacing x by SO4. So you have to rewrite the whole equation by replacing x in the equation by SO4. So in the last equation, that's the third equation. So we'll rewrite it to it. So it is 2Fe plus 3H2. So instead of X, I am writing SO4 because initially we had replaced it by X. So which gives Fe2. So instead of X, I am writing again SO4. So I'll put this thing in the bracket thrice plus 3H2. So the whole equation is balanced. So you have ferrous or iron with sulfuric acid, which gives ferrous sulfate or iron sulfate plus 3 hydrogen molecules. So this equation is balanced now. Whole equation is balanced. So initially what we are doing, we are replacing SO4 with X, because always SO4 stays together, so we are replacing with X. So the whole equation is balanced. So for more help you can visit www dot www.sciencehelp k28.blogspot.com. So for more help on more examples on balancing the chemical equation, we can visit this website www.sciencehelpk28.blogspot.com. Thank you.